Oh, careful with the light.
I almost caught one.
Don't scare them though.
No, we're not trying. Hold my glasses, because then I can try to catch one. I almost caught one. Oh, I like this cute one. Which one?
Hey girls,
Almost got her.
be careful. Don't hurt them
Way
though.
too fast. This one's not afraid at all. Look, I caught one that's new.
Which one? Wow. Katie ma, tu sandals পরে নাও মা।
They're just let me
Please.
catch them.
Otherwise তোমার feet dirty হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
Dad, come here. Should I
Should we what?
tell her? They're back home again. Kitty, I need to catch one. Yeah. These ones are wild. Right? They're all wild. Oh, come on. You got one in my shirt.
In your shirt?
Got one of them. This one likes me. This one likes me. Hey guys, move. It's trying to fly, it looks like. Okay, here, Jim. That one.
Drop them slowly so that they don't get owies.
Excuse me. Get away. Got my little guys. My little fella. Oh, get up, boy. I don't think it's an animal. It tried to fly.
But they don't have wings yet.
I know.
Not strong enough anyways.
Wait, I want to try some. Wait. I'm not going so. They got sharp nails, though. See?
Yep. Almost like claws.
It fell.
Well, give her a big hug, that's all.
Or him.
Yep. Katie ma, অত জোরে ফেলো না মা. Put them down slowly so that they don't get hurt.
Really? No. Can you believe I caught two?
Yep, I sure can because I saw it.
She heard it! It fell right on the wood.
Katie, that's enough because you are hurting them, sweetie.
Are you okay? Oh, I caught two.
They're just little babies.
Whoa, I caught two at a time. Daddy, I caught two in one hand. Daddy,
Whoa.
wait, so I got four. They're all
Should I
white.
take a picture of that?
That was the one I caught. Can someone help me catch Wanna hold on? Just go doo-doo.
That's okay.
Daddy, somewhere just like away one.
Just wash your hand, that's all.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Are you okay?
Don't get hurt.
Here. Poor thing.
Are you glad we came here first before we went out to the restaurant?
And it hurts. I'm gonna let it go off a little bit. I'll catch it, Dad, I promise. Go on. This one, what in a place? This one likes me. Here. Ha! Come here. Yeah, let's see what it does.
I don't know if they would like that, Gracie.
What's gonna happen to your... Daddy.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, let me take Katie's